Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering down and isolating the laptop to avoid shorts. That's critical. Once done, remove the battery and external power and take clear photos of the keyboard so you can restore keys precisely. Next, use a plastic spudger to gently pry a single non-functional F key cap from its corner. Don't force it. You want to expose the scissor mechanism and membrane below. Make sure to note orientation and any broken tabs as you work, because reassembly depends on it. Now inspect the exposed mechanism. Look for cracked scissor pieces or missing retainer clips and test the rubber dome or membrane contact visually. If you see debris, blow compressed air or carefully clean with a 70% isopropyl swab. Remove particles without saturating the area. If the scissor hinge is broken, you can often replace only that retainer. Otherwise, swap the entire key unit. Once cleaned and any small parts replaced, press the membrane to confirm tactile click, and reassembly begins by aligning the scissor hinge over the membrane posts and snapping the retainer into its anchors. Then carefully press the keycap until it clicks evenly. Power on the laptop and test the F key in several contexts: text editor, system hotkeys, BIOS if needed, to verify hardware versus driver issues. If the key still misbehaves, try an external USB keyboard to isolate software. One key troubleshooting tip: if the key works intermittently, update or reinstall the keyboard driver before ordering parts or opening the chassis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.